Douse me. Dude. Oh, dude, turn the camera on.
It is on. Come back over here.
Oh, fuck, they're after me. Dude, no.
Alex, you're gonna have to get up and run because they're not gonna get them until you're gone.
Yeah.
Alex, just get up.
Wait. Dude, just look at him.
I gotta get close.
Get off!
You see that seagull fly down and snatch one?
No.
Alex, just get up and back away.
That didn't work, dude.
Hold on.
Just keep watching. They're gonna go at him, I bet. Just walk away. Okay.
They're freaking landing and snatching them up.
That's awesome, dude. What the hell? I'm gonna lay by it.
Alex, lay face down.
Okay. Josh, come to my back. Oh well. I'm scared, Jacob.
I'm freaking videotaping the seagulls.
Come on.
Alright, Josh, come on.
Alright. She never looks that smart, though.
This is funny as hell.
How long has it been taping?
2.5 minutes. Dude, we should get some fish.
Fish? Hey, Alex, I have a new idea. What? Get some fish. Fish?
Yeah, get fish.
Here. I'm gonna get fish. Jacob, keep on videotape.
Hold on. Yeah, go. Alex, get up. Wait, Josh, wait.
Yeah?
Hold on, we gotta dust off Alex.
Alex, you get a handful of cheese puffs. What are we doing?
You're gonna go throw them at the seagulls.
What? Oh, yeah.
Hold on, we gotta wait for them to land. Get away from the cheese puffs!
All over the fucking air! Dude! This video is gonna be called Messing with Seagulls.
It's actually kind of stupid.
Yeah, I know, but
it's fun though.
you can if they landed on us. Alex! There's someone on the beach. Come on, you lay down on the ground, Josh. Fine. Let him? Holy shit! Dude, oh god. I think they had us.
Retard.
I know, it's fun.
Nice job, Josh. You scared him away.
Like I'm
Dude, they're swooping down after him.
I think they don't want us to videotape them. Oh shit. Alex, back up the new dude. Come on.
You know, this is fun.
Yeah.
I need to come with you guys more often.
Yes, you do.
The seagulls are like, son of a bitch!
Dude, they're landing. Yay. One ain't one. Dude.
Alex, that one seagull sounded like you. It did, I'm not lying.
He flew over there to eat it. They're taking their cheese puffs over there, dude. Look.
That's funny. What if the seagulls died?
Oh.
Like they choked on the cheese puffs.
Seagulls.
Like they're flying and all of a sudden.
Dude, look, they're all taking their cheese puffs over there to eat.
Wow. Wow, just look at them right there. It's like 3. That one's just picking them up and dropping them. You see?
Yeah. Oh wow, look at all of them. People are just looking over here and saying, "What the hell?" They're like, wow, those kids are dumbass. Fucking seagulls, yeah.
Yeah, smart.
Oh wow.
I like the ones that eat them while they're flying.
Dude, look there, let's took them all.
Holy crap.
All the full bag of cheese puffs. Now we just need some fish. See what happens.
Go to McDonald's and get a friggin' fish fillet and just throw it out here in the friggin' parking lot. If you pay for it.
I don't got no money, dude. There's raw fish up at Big Lots, I know. Or get seafood from Subway. But that's just far away, so never mind about that. Wow. The seagulls like french fries?
I don't know. Josh, you could get a freaking fish fillet off the dollar menu, couldn't you?
I don't think so. You could, Josh. You told me.
If I'm gonna buy food, I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, me too. French fries and just throw them. Dude, fuck that french fries. Dude, french fries.
That's because, oh, there goes the last one.
Yep. Well.